Hey everybody, it's your girl Cece. Welcome back to my channel. So you guys, I'm so super excited about this video. I feel like I say that with every video, but I really am excited about this video because I am going to be showing you guys a brand new subscription box. Yes, girl, a brand new box. Not new, but new to me that I've never talked about on my channel before. So this one is called the FabFitFun box. So I've been seeing a lot of bigger YouTubers, you know, that get sent these boxes for like PR or sponsored content and stuff like that, doing these videos, and I'm like, that box looks really good. It's massive. You know, you get makeup, you get skincare, you get beauty products, lifestyle products, like, you know, clothes and accessories and stuff like that. But girl, $50 for a quarterly box, I'm like, that's a little bit steep. But they actually do have a promotion going on right now where you can get the box for 50% off. So instead of paying $49.99, you pay about $25, which I was like, okay, yes, now that I can do, especially considering that I don't even know if I'm going to like the box or not. So I was like, yeah, let's get on that. So I decided to go ahead and pick this box up. It is super massive, so I'm going to try to fit it in frame for you guys so you can see what it looks like, and then we're going to go ahead and unbox this thing. But before we get into the unboxing, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Definitely hit that red subscribe button as well as the bell. That way you do not miss any future uploads from me. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to rock with me. Okay, guys, so this is the box right here. It is the FabFitFun box. Super massive. So the first thing that I see in here is a super cute little magazine that tells you about all of the products. It has little articles in here about how to use the products and all that good stuff. So I would say that this is very professional for them to put in here, because this is like a legit magazine. You know what I'm saying? It's not just like a pamphlet about the products, but it's an actual magazine. So okay, we're off to a good start. First thing I see off top is coupons, which you guys know your girl is all about saving the money, okay? So the first thing that I see, this is actually from FabFitFun. Ooh, so this is actually a coupon code where you can get $15 off of your first box. So you can get your first box for $34.99. So obviously I won't be able to use this because I'm already subscribed to them. But I will go ahead and post this code in the description bar below. So if one of you guys want to use the code, you are more than welcome to. And the next thing I see, which I'm like, oof, girl, yes, I'm definitely going to use this. This is a coupon to HelloFresh. It's actually a $80 gift card. So you have to sign up for 4 deliveries from them, and you get $20 off of your 4 deliveries or whatever. I've actually been really wanting to try HelloFresh because, as you guys know, I am on a fitness journey and I definitely need to be doing more cooking at home versus eating out. And this is like a, not really a meal prep, but they send you like the ingredients to make certain meals and then you just have to cook it, so it saves you on like grocery shopping and stuff like that. So definitely gonna use that. Okay, so now let's get into the box. All right. Ooh, there's lots of stuff in here. So let's see what I got. Oh, I did forget to mention, with this box, they do let you customize, I do believe it's 2 or possibly 3 of the products. So some of the products in here, I know what I'm getting, and some are surprise items. So I just wanted to mention that. Okay, so the first thing that I see, this is interesting. Okay, so it is the Harper 2-in-1 grinder. Looks like that. And so this you can use to like grind spices and stuff like that. Like how people take like the whole peppercorns, the black peppercorns, and they put it in there if you want to grind that up. Spices and stuff like that. So yeah, I don't know if I would honestly use this, so I may just put this in a giveaway for you guys, but that's cool that that came in there. The next thing that came in here, what is this? Ooh, yes, Come Through Skincare. This is the Skin and Company Truffle Therapy Face Toner, which you guys know I'm all about that skincare, so I'm most definitely gonna try this out. So let's just smell and see. Okay. Has a light smell, but it doesn't smell like super overpowering. I don't smell like overly, you know, sense of alcohol and stuff like that, because you guys know I've been into clean beauty lately, so I really try to use things that don't have like perfumes and all that. It does say that this is alcohol free, gluten free, which I love, GMO free, and it's vegan. Okay, so that definitely sounds up my alley with the clean beauty stuff. So that came in there. And the next thing that I have and this is actually a mystery choice. So this is something that they personally picked out for me. And ooh, okay. This is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. Oh my gosh, I'm so super excited about this because you guys know I have acne prone skin, which causes my skin to have like textures and stuff like that. So anything exfoliating, I'm like, girl, yes. So this is what it looks like full size. So yeah, definitely excited about that. The next thing that I have in here is the Better Skin Company Lava Magic. This is actually a cleanser, scrub, and mask. So that's interesting. So it says that it's a daily cleanser, exfoliating scrub, and mask all in one. So you can use it as a cleanser if you rinse it off. Or you can leave it on for like an exfoliating type feel, or you can use it as a mask. So I'm all for like the 2 and 3-in-1 products. So yes, for that. The next thing that came in here is by Aveda. It is the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Come on now. You know me and my wigs, okay? So obviously I'm not gonna use this. So this will be going in a giveaway for you guys as well. But if you're curious, it protects from heat styling. It's repairing for the hair, and it says that you put in a small product through, oh okay, so you use it on damp hair, comb it through, you don't rinse it out. So it's basically like a heat protectant slash hair repair conditioning kind of treatment, which definitely sounds interesting. But like I said, all I do is, you know, go get my hair washed and blown out, get her to put some straight backs in there, and then pop a wig on. So I don't have any use for a hair care product, but like I said, giveaway. This I was hoping and praying that I would get ever since I saw Nitra B do her FabFitFun video. And if you guys are not following Nitra B, girl, description bar. Pause the video, go ahead and subscribe to her because she is amazing. Like, she's definitely in my top 5 of favorite YouTubers. But anyways, she raved about these. These are the Harper Airy Exfoliating Sugar Cubes. Okay, so these are supposed to smell really, really good, and you basically just kind of wet this in the shower and then rub it over your body to exfoliate your body. Ooh. These do smell really good. They smell like, ooh, like watermelon. They smell so freaking bomb. So yeah, I'm excited about those. I mean, you only get like, it looks like you get like maybe 8 or 10 in here. So I don't know. I don't know if you could use this for like more than one shower, or if this is only if one cube is one like treatment or whatever. I don't know, but I'm definitely gonna try to milk these out because this definitely looks like something that I would go ahead and purchase. I have in here is the Humankind Skincare with a Conscience Body Souffle. Oh yes, okay. So this is like a it's like a body lotion, but it's whipped. So I'm pretty sure that this is like thick. And this brand is vegan and cruelty free, which I love. So let me go ahead and open this up so we can smell it. Because girl, would it be in the fall? Like my face is still oily, but my body skin is super, super dry. So I definitely could use another lotion kind of product. Oh yeah, this smells good. It has like a light scent. It's not like overly fruity, but that is what it looks like. So it does have like more of a body lotion kind of feel. It doesn't feel like as thick as a body cream, but it feels really smooth and moisturizing on the skin. So I would definitely use it. This is something that I knew that I was getting. This is one of the products that I chose, this product, and then I chose this one. So yeah, so it looks like they let you customize 2 of the products. So you guys, I am so freaking excited. Okay, so like I said at the beginning of the video, I am on a fitness journey. You know, I have been, you know, taking my lunch to work versus eating out so much, trying to cook more at home and stuff like that. So when I saw this as a choice, I was like, oh yes, let me be bougie and get that. Girl, a Kate Spade lunch bag. How freaking adorable is this? Okay, so it has a little Kate Spade tag right there, and then it says out to lunch, and this is definitely like fall, you know, with the tan, you know, kind of color and everything. So let me actually open this up so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. You can see exactly how big it is. So it looks like there's not a lot of compartments on the inside, but it does look pretty spacious to where you should be able to get a good amount of things in here. I do a lot of like meal prep in the containers and stuff like that. So I really hope that, I know I wouldn't be able to get like a big container with the compartments in here, but I'm really hoping that I can get like a, you know, like some of the smaller containers maybe stacked on top of each other in here, because this is super cute. And if I can't use it for a lunch bag, like honestly, this would make a nice travel, you know, bag for like toiletries and like makeup and stuff like that when Maurice and I take our trips and stuff. So I am super duper excited about that. So you guys, that is it for this unboxing. I am super impressed with them. So the $50 price tag is a little steep, but looking at all the stuff that I got, especially like the variety of stuff that I got, I can definitely justify the $50 price tag. Plus it's quarterly, so it's not like it's $50 a month, it's only every 3 months. So yeah, I would definitely continue to subscribe to them, and I'm super excited. The only downside I would say is I ordered this box like probably close to 2 weeks ago, and that's about how long it took to ship. So that's kind of a downer, especially if you're somebody like me who like sees other people review things and then you wanted to review on your channel. Like 2 weeks is a long freaking time to wait, especially when you're paying $50 for a box. So like they definitely need to get that together with their shipping. But I do love that they give you a good variety of products. I do love that they let you choose some of the products in your box. Then the shipping, I don't have any complaints. Like I am freaking obsessed. So yeah, you guys, that is it for this unboxing. I hope that you all enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, you already know what to do. Give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below. And if you want to see any dedicated reviews on any particular products in this box, all you gotta do is holler at your girl, and I will most definitely get that done for you. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time in my next video. Bye!